Welcome to VBT. For over 50 years, we've been leading the way with immersive and award-winning experiential active vacations worldwide. Imagine a biking vacation that combines the best of two worlds: the freedom of cycling through stunning landscapes and the comfort of a floating hotel. Unpack just once and enjoy breathtaking rides, local flavors, and authentic culture, all expertly curated by VBT and guided by our local leaders. Our bike and boat vacations are designed for people who prefer unpacking once and exploring a new place daily, all while enjoying stunning views of the world's greatest waterways. Enjoy the perfect mix of cycling and cultural stops in small groups with an average of 24, ideal for meeting new friends along the way. On a bike and boat vacation, we take care of everything. We partner with the world's best riverboat and cruise companies, test every bike route, and seek out the hidden gems that only the locals know about. Our top-quality e-bikes and road bikes, plus a GPS app with voice navigation, lets you ride confidently. Most importantly, your leaders will ensure a smooth, worry-free trip while sharing local insights that bring the destination to life. Your ship's crew adds a personal touch, sharing the region's stories and cuisine while making you feel at home on the water. VBT gives you more. Our air packages bundle flights, extra hotel nights, and airport car service. Our knowledgeable tour consultants are here to answer all your questions. Ready to take the ride of a lifetime? Call us to start planning your vacation today.